I always tell women, why are we waiting for men to give you freedom? The women are the ones, actually in most of the communities, who take the initiative. They may look weak, but they don't give up.
Their strength, their capabilities are not brought out unless they are strong enough to break out.
Why they raise their hands is because urban women wouldn't have raised their hands. We have more masks than rural women. Rural women are stronger. UNICEF came and built the toilets. But in the toilets, there was no water. So what is the point in building toilets when you're not giving water supply?
How will storytelling bring about this change?
Kora country in Thai in Odaya in Kail Kole, and so the story will go like this. So it's difficult, it cannot happen overnight. Stories itself are exaggeration because facts are very boring. Kattradu kaiyalavu, they say, no, what you have learnt is only this.
Should we start a process of communication through this? How do we do this?
To be a good storyteller, you need to be first a good story listener.